Now, there's only two now. One of them is
There's only two now.
one of them is the Frank. Well, no, one of them. This is a gross story. I'm not gonna tell it.
What?
This is a disgusting story. I didn't clean one out, and I left it sitting on top of the shower. This is a gross story, and I like so I can
How
remember.
bad did it smell?
It's the smell is what I imagine the Zerg hives in StarCraft smell like. It's like this
It just disintegrated in your mouth.
alien. It's like the smell of it. Like, you know, when aliens, when they go down into that fucking in the very beginning, when they go into the pit where there's all the pods and the thing pops out and lands on the guy's face. It's in the very beginning of the movie Alien. It's like the coolest scene. That's what an old fleshlight smells like when you open it. It's this kind of alien, pungent,
Musky.
primordial smell. But I opened it up, and man, it was just like black. The darkest black ooze just kind of dripped out of it, and so I threw that one away. Of course.
God.
Was it from the
You would
blood?
have to like seriously you would have to disinfect that with so many chemicals.
Holy water.
You would have to worry about those chemicals eventually burning the skin off your dick.
Well, yeah, and some unknown
Right?
disease,
Yeah.
leprosy,
Jesus
a
Christ.
flesh rotting disease
Imagine
on your
if that's
penis.
where it gets born, in the bottom of a fleshlight from some sick fuck that never bothered to clean it, and he tried to fuck it twice. Could
the
you
apocalypse.
imagine? That's the end of the world. The one fleshlight that'll be told about on fucking big stone tablets 10,000 years from now.
We've traced it back to a fleshlight.
And there's only a few people survived. Only like from one particular area of Ethiopia were able to handle it.
Well, what
Everybody
a fucking
else dead.
I mean, a fleshlight is truly a breeding ground for bacteria if you consider, especially if you keep it in like the balmy atmosphere of your shower, because you're combining so many bad elements in
Yeah.
that thing, and heat mixing with heat. That's
Moisture and who knows what's in the water
DNA.
supply.
DNA.
Yeah.
You have true life precursors in there. It could sprout a new life.
Jesus fucking
New
Christ.
life form could
Why
come.
not, right?
Yeah.
I mean, we poo-poo that, but could you imagine if it was that easy? Can you imagine if your loads on their own could make people?
They just grow like mushrooms or
Could
something.
you imagine? I mean, we know that you have to interact with a woman and make eggs. You have to
Yeah.
crack eggs and make babies that way. But
Yeah.
imagine if that wasn't the case. Imagine if every time you came, it made people. Imagine if people came out of your dick.
And there's just people everywhere. And
Everywhere.
they're like getting stepped on. The little ones never get to be adults.
I mean, we take it for granted that the process is male and female,
Yeah.
and that's the only way to create life. I mean, life is crazy enough as it is to think that it could have been in some bizarre gonzo parallel universe that it's possible to just create life with your dick, and every time you come, boom, people.
A person.
Boom, boom, people.
That would be a very overpopulated universe
Could
just
you
for me
fucking
alone.
imagine people screaming at you because you're beating off? You fuckhead!
What are you doing?
People piling on top of people everywhere, and then you catch someone beating off. Will you fucking stop it? And they're just making people pop. That's what people would do. We would make so many people. If that was the case, there would be so many people that the world would cave in. There would be no more room.
Couldn't work.
You would have people would just eat the people in front of them.
We'd run out of resources. Yeah, we'd be just eating
Yeah.
each other. on
Eating the
top of
people
each-
in front of us.
Eating and jerking off and making more.
I mean, at what point can overpopulation exist? I mean, if there's no structure, right? If you took all the people in New York City with no structures, no buildings,
Yeah.
and just piled them on top of each other.
Yes.
How much room is there? How much room is there? At what point in time could you fucking imagine?
You're asking how many people would it take to cover the planet in a complete mat of people?
If just every time someone came, a person was born. Boom.
How long
Just
before
everywhere.
the planet just looked like an octopus?
Oh, my God.
Swarming with freaks.
No one would stop. We wouldn't stop. We would not stop jerking off. We'd have entire continents covered.
And you'd come up
And
with a
we
good
wouldn't stop
reason why
jerking
you're
off.
jerking off.
Yeah.
Like you'd rationalize, like, yeah, well,
What the fuck? I gotta
Gotta
do what I
do
gotta
it.
do with my man. Bang! That's a new baby.
The government would get involved though and make you so you can't come. Like they would start neutering you. at
Well, who
birth.
would be the government? There'd be swarms of people.
True.
It'd be unmanageable.
there'd be no government.
No buildings.
The blob.
Forget about it. We
The biggest
would have
blob.
never even built buildings if it was possible. We would have never figured out anything. If that was how you could come and make a person.
It'd be like grass. We'd be like grass.
We'd
the way grass
we'd be everywhere.
kudzu.
Yeah. Ridiculous. Anyway, Go to joerogan.net, click on the link for the flashlight.
That was a commercial.
Enter in the code name Rogan, and you get 15% off. Number one sex toy for men. Best commercial ever. That was the best one we ever did.
Yeah.
People complain about those. I'm like, come on, man. You can't
I forgot.
complain.
I didn't know it
We're
was a
free
commercial.
balling. We're just having fun. Let us just do this little business thing. We're also brought to you by
Wait. And if you don't
Onnit.com.
want to buy a flashlight, don't buy it. Just
Yeah.
make your own.
Yeah. How can you do that?
Easily.
Melons. and stuff. Yeah.
Fruits.
But they're not going to be as good as the flashlight. If you're looking to masturbate, it's a fucking solid tool.
There's probably some shit you can do with Jello and Gumby.
It won't be as good as the flashlight. They got it down. Whatever that polymer is that they use to make the vagina, it's fucking outstanding.
They spent a long time
Two
researching
thumbs up.
that.
Yeah, they did. They have a great product.
There's how many
People are embarrassed about the fact they like to masturbate.
How many uncomfortable fleshlights did that guy fuck before he came upon the
Jesus
that one?
Christ. Could you imagine that poor weirdo?
This one's made out of rock. Nah.
Imagine who had to test
Caveman.
those? Did they test them with fingers first? You don't want to
No,
be
I
crazy and
don't.
just shove your dick right into this new retro model. You don't want to do that. You don't want to just. You have to. They must have tested them out.
They
Yeah.
used animals.
Yeah.
They used animals. They
Monkeys.
let
Let
animals
horses
fuck
fuck
them.
'em.
Horses.
No, they didn't.
I know.
You're just making shit up, man. Ultimately, the dude had to fuck like a lot of different substances in order to create that
Yeah.
perfect vagina. I mean, how do you describe that if you're trying to make it, and you bring it to a factory? This is what I'm looking for. Something I can fuck.
I'd like to see the moment when he found it.
Yeah.
This is it!
This is it. Yeah, I came like 5 times that last night.
Well,
Yeah. What a weird thing to invent. But he did an awesome job. However the process was of making light of it.
he needs to write about how it came about. Like,
Yeah.
that's an interesting thing to know.
Well, I think the dude who invented it, his wife was pregnant when he invented it, and he couldn't have sex. And so they figured out he was a resourceful fella.
See that?
Yeah,
That's what you need, man. If you want to invent something good, you've got to be in.
you got to be pushed
You got to be pushed.
in a corner,
Yeah.
and then you go for the box. Stick you right in a box.
The worst
Yeah.
description.
Boston.
That description started with a guy who had his wife had a deformed pussy. You
We're
just thought
also
it-
brought to you by Onnit.com, ONNIT, makers of Alpha Brain, the cognitive enhancing supplement, Shroom Tech Immune. So you use the Shroom Tech Immune? You're saying it's pretty badass,
I seem
right?
like I'm a fucking shill because I'm agreeing to everything here, but I've used these things. The Shroom Tech, when I'm starting to get sick, I eat it and I get better. The stuff really works.
It's great for just to keep your immune system strong, apparently. The way it works is there's something in it that makes your body think that it's like a disease. Like